17608.
Well, hello there, come on in. Guys, welcome to room 17608 here in deck 17. This is a 1-bedroom grand suite, which is in the suite area. Just down the hall, we have coastal kitchen in the suite lounge, but we're here to check out this room. So guys, this is a beautiful room. Then another closet space here where you can hang things, as well as one of the largest mini safes I've seen in one of these rooms. So a lot of times these are pretty small. This, you can store a laptop in there easily. So that's really nice. If you're a geek like me and you really enjoy your electronics, plenty of room to keep those safe. And then you've also got more hanging space over here on the opposite side with a bathrobe as well. So as we move here into the back side of the room, you can see here, we've got a nice couch that's going to pull out to a bed for the kids. We've got 2 more seats and then also a nice table and tables over here. Got a nice big screen TV. I'll be honest, I don't think we've ever even watched TV on a cruise. I know some people do. That's not something we'll really use. Once we turn it off, it probably won't turn again. We've got a mini fridge down here at the bottom. Small, but that's plenty sufficient. Nice touch. They already have our ice bucket filled with ice here, 4 glasses plus some Evian water, as well as the Lavazza espresso machine here. So if we want to make our own coffee in the mornings, we'll be able to do that. As we head out to the deck here, well, who is that? We have Kate and Jackson out here. Hello, guys.
Hello.
You can see this is a huge balcony, right? We've got 2 of these seats here with footstools, an end table, and then another entire table over here where you can actually have dinner. In fact, since we're in a suite, if we want, we can request room service right here. So we can have breakfast, lunch, dinner out here. We've never done that before. Maybe we'll try it this week. I don't know, we'll see. And then we'll have beautiful views here. Head back inside here. One thing to keep in mind, if you want your AC to be running, the balcony doors have to be closed and the door has to be locked. Hey y'all, if this has been helpful for you, if you'd please take a quick moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel, it would mean the absolute world to me as I get started on this YouTube journey. With that out of the way, let's get back to it. As we make our way down here, I'll show you guys a thermostat real quick. So, one of the nice things about this thermostat is it not only controls the thermostat, but you can see here, when you're ready to go to sleep at night, you just push that sleep button. And it's not only going to set the lighting, it's also going to close these blinds. So the blinds are self-opening and self-closing, which is really nice. You can see even in the middle of the day, it does a great job of darkening things. You can control the lights from over here, so I'll turn off the lights. And you can see here, if that television wasn't on, it would be almost pitch black in here. But the television is on, so it's not. But we'll go back to morning mode, and it should. You can see the lights are turning on, and the blinds, I believe, should open for morning mode. Yep, there they go. So it's nice that they do that. If they're being a little bit too kiddie, we'd say, hey, we are done with it. You probably won't do that, but you can get some privacy in your phone. Now, you're not gonna have a whole lot of privacy because it's just a curtain. And then another thing, I'll show you guys the bathroom here. This is a very spacious bathroom. You can see here, you've got 2 more drawers here in the center. You got more cabinets on the sides. Double sinks, so, you know, of his and hers sinks, which is really nice. If we show you guys this later in the week, I suspect it to be pretty easy to tell whose is who between ladies and gentlemen.
Gentleman is way messier.
Anyways. Yeah, so all your standard bathroom amenities here. Plenty of space by the toilet, so you're not going to be cramped, which is really nice. And then you've got a nice bathtub or shower tub over here. So sometimes these cruise ship showers can be pretty cramped. In fact, sometimes you barely got room to raise your arms up. Now, if you're taller than I am, maybe it's still going to be cramped, but there's plenty of space in here. This side does open up, so if you need to get in and out, there's plenty of access to do that. Now, one thing to keep in mind, I'm never a big fan when the shower doors don't go all the way to the back, so you end up getting water outside the shower. This is one of those, there's no curtain here, so I'd imagine we probably will get some water over here, but the water's coming down from this side, so it shouldn't be too bad. And then you can see here, I've got your Malin Goats shampoo. It's hard to say that without laughing, guys. Guys, what is it? Malin Goats? Malin Goats? Male Goats. But you've got shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all by Malin Goats. If somebody knows how to pronounce that, please tell me in the comments, because I have no idea. This is room, again, 17608 here on deck 17. This is a 1-bedroom grand suite.